Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is KP, and if you are not, hey girl, how you doing? So today, impromptu little video for today. I look horrendous, I have big old zit right there, my hair looks terrible. So, today, I just want to do a short little P.O. box unboxing. I actually checked my P.O. box today, and to my surprise, there was actually shit in there, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm not going to drag it on because I want to know what's in these boxes and bags, so let's do it. Okay. So our first thing, it just says it's from Amazon. So maybe there's a note because I don't know who this is from. Look at me being prepared. I've got scissors and everything. Ugh, what channel is this? A professional. Okay. What's the shirt? Oh my god. That is the best shirt I've ever seen in my life. It smells like vinegar, which I like. I love vinegar. Oh my god. I have no idea who sent this to me. No idea. But this shirt is this shirt is perfection. Like perfectly me. Aliens and unicorns. Thank you so much. I'm never ever going to take this off. I'm going to wear this shirt for the rest of my life. I'm going to wash it right now. And wear it today because thank you. Please leave me a comment if you sent me this because I love it so much. It is, holy shit, it's so great. This is so great. Okay, we're done. When's the video? We're done. All right. Moving on. Another package from, it says Lexington, Kentucky. You guys give me notes. I don't know what it's from. I want to say thanks. Another Amazon package. Oh wait, there's a note in this one. My daughter Kaylin and Carly, 7, found this and thought of you and your love of jellies. Hope you love it. Oh my god, thank you, Babsy. Thank you so much. That's the sweetest note I've ever read in my life. What is in here? Ooh, what is this? Curiouser and Curiouser. What do we got here? Yeah, it looks like a tapestry, which I'm super excited about. Oh, you guys, I'm about to cry. Look at it. Hold on. Wait a sec. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on. Look at it. It looks like this tattoo on my arm. I think it may be the same jelly, the same breed of jelly. Anyway, look at the tapestry. Look at it. Look at it. Look, can you see? Can you see how cool it is? Can you see how cool it is? Whoa. I almost fell because I got too excited. Listen, I love this so much. So much. I cannot wait to hang it up here. This is incredible. Thank you so much to you and your babies. That is the sweetest thing. Thank you so much. I love jellyfish, obviously, because I have them tattooed upon my arm. But love jellyfish. Okay. That's really badass. Thank you so much. I can't wait to hang it up. Alright. Last package. I got 3. I'm really excited about my 3. Oh god, big old box from Emily Bailey. Hello, Emily. Let's open this honkin' package. It's very heavy. I hope it's beer. Don't be offended if it's not beer. That was my first thought. I was like, somebody send me beer. Let me see. Well, it is sealed. We're sealed up in here. Good. Smells good in there. Weird. Is that weird? I opened it and there's a note in there, okay? I can't see everything. I just opened it and all I can see is the word fuck and I'm like, oh yeah, this is one of my people right here. That's one of mine that wrote that message. See, I opened it and all I see is, hold on, covered by Tetris. Fuck. Alright, girlfriend. Let me get up in this damn box. I'm excited. You sound like my kind of people, number one. The motherfucking KP. That's awesome. Shit. I don't know if I'm allowed to read this on camera or not. I got a letter, which I am obsessed with. I love this. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to read this on camera or not. Basically, she's just telling me about how wonderful a person she is, and how awesome, and how much we are gonna be best friends now. I don't know if I'm allowed to read this on camera. Next time, you guys, if you want to send me a letter and you want me to read it on camera, tell me. If you don't want me to, like, cause I don't want to like invade her privacy and like read like her words to me on camera, cause that's really like shitty. I'm not gonna do that. Let's see what we got in here though. This box is hefty. Okay. Holy shit. There's so much stuff in here. Oh my god. This is all like makeup and skincare and holy bags of it, girl. Bags of it. Holy fuck. Alright, so I will say that Emily said she does lots of subscription boxes and she has no need for half of the stuff, so she just gotta give it to me to talk about. Look how much stuff. Oh, how much stuff it is. This is so much stuff. This is incredible. Some little eyeshadows. Ooh, what is that? Moisture Bomb Cream. Holy shit. Black eyeshadow. Love that. Glitter. This is so cool. What is that I threw on the floor? Did it break? Oh, I dropped it again, so hopefully it's not really breakable. Ooh. Ooh, cleansing oils. This is so cool. She's clearly doing different fucking shit than me. Her boxes. Body wash infused buffer. That's fucking cool. I'm just excited here now. Vitamin C crystals. That's cool. Ooh. Hello, sexy. Super Mud Cleansing Treatment and Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Cool. I love Glam Glow. It's one of my favorite brands. What else is in here? Some cool stuff. Juice Cleanse. Uh-oh, something leaked. Oh, but something that smells good. Fine with that. What is this Artist Couture one? Summer Haze. I love Artist Couture highlighters. I cannot believe she would give me that. That's fucking incredible. Wow. You're like the coolest. Ooh, ooh. Is that? Oh, that's what's leaking. But it's more of my primer. Primer essence. Love that primer. But I got it. I found the leak. All kind of shit. Wow. Drive Cosmetics. The box is huge. It just body stuff. Girl. Hell yeah, Emily. You're the fucking shit. Everything smells wonderful. Wait, hold on. There's something I should have found here. I want that Ultra Seek Mini Eye Essentials. Well, I'm sure you guys will see some of this stuff upon my channel at some point. An eyeliner? Whoa, this is a Kylie Jenner eyeliner. I've never owned a Kylie Jenner product in my life, so that's pretty fucking cool. This is a Kyliner. I don't know if that's a real thing, but thank you so much, Emily. Thank you guys for sending me your stuff. This is the coolest shit ever. Like, I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys were excited to watch this. Emily, thank you. This shit is amazing. You're the coolest. I'm gonna unpack it all and look at it because my husband is right outside the store because he wanted to know what was in these packages so fucking bad. This smells just, when I say wonderful, it's an exfoliating cube of sugar. I love to exfoliate, bitch. I'm excited. Thank you so much, Emily. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, little kids whose names I've forgotten immediately because I'm the worst. I'm so sorry. Your names are Kaylin and Carly and Babs G. Thank you guys so much. And then mystery person, thank you for my shirt. I actually think you told me in Discord that it was from you. Thanks, wifey. If it's from you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this or any of my other videos, you should subscribe to my channel because it's motherfucking free. It's free. You can follow me on all my other social media accounts. You can follow me on Instagram at GrungeXGlitterX, and you can follow me on Snapchat and Twitter at GrungeXGlitter, and you can follow me on Facebook at GrungeandGlitter-KP. Love you guys so much. I'll see you later. Bye.